Hello my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. This is Sima Legacy. For today's video I want to show you how you can make any transaction using P2P. Just stick with me until the end. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get all the videos from Sima Crypto. So before I go into the video, I want to show you my estimated balance so that at the end of the video you will see that there will be an increment in my balance. My balance is 146.82. So let's dive into the video. You will go on trade and you come on pay to pay. So under pay to pay you have buy and sell. You buy crypto using cash, using these advertisers, or sell crypto using these advertisers and get cash. So these are the coins that you can buy using pay to pay: USDT, BTC, BUSD, BNB, Ethereum, DAI, and SHIB. So under here there is fiat. Fiat, you select the country's currency depending on where you're coming from. There is a lot of currencies, as you can see here. There is a lot. You select the country and depending on where you're coming from. So for me, I will select UGX. So under this one, even you can select the available regions where you are coming from, which region exactly, depending on which currency are you using. So under this one there is advertisers, the completion rate. So these are the orders that this person has completed so far. There is 186 orders, 100 completion. So another thing that you're going to see, there is price. Price, you're going to change it depending on which currency that you're going to use. So as you can see, this one differs from this one. This one differs from this one. So you're going to see which exactly is good. So when you come here, you will see even another thing, the payment method. Which payment method do you want to use? Now, like for me, this one is limited, this one. So I will choose this one, Sarista, because the orders he has completed and the completion of his percentage is good. So I'll go with this one. So this is the amount that I'm going to receive by USDT. So once you're here, never use third party. Please make sure that you use the names that you used when you were opening your Binance account. Never use third party. So I'm going to send. So once you have sent your money to this specific person, transferred, notify the seller. I've made the payment, confirm the payment. So you wait for a person to release the crypto so that your sale can be completed. So the seller has completed your transaction and he has released your USDT. So you're going to go on wallet and check on funding wallet. This is where you're going to find the money that you have received from the advertiser. So under here, this is the amount that we have received. So we want to put our money into fiat and spot account. So you're going to go on transfer. So you will click here so that you are sending money from funding to fiat and spot. You will hit maximum, confirm. So boom, our money has gone. Then you go to fiat and spot. So as you can see here, there is an increment in our spot balance. So hope you have understood everything. Bye for today.